In the following, I will show you how Flexible Line Producer reacts to various scenarios and requirements. You can use variables to depict the general framework of a project. You click up here and find several categories on the left side. Your framework consists of factors like shooting time, travel information, or post-production. Parameters like these always concern more than just one item of your budget. The shooting time, for example, is important for salaries or car rentals. Without variables, you have to go through your entire budget and change every item by hand, only to make one single adjustment. With Line Producer, you can categorize such parameters here and define them individually. For example, you have 5 shooting days at location 1 and 3 shooting days at location 2, which adds up to a total shooting time of 8 shooting days. In this column, you can calculate with arithmetic operations in percent or with variables. Once you've defined a variable, you can use it for your item. Now I see how the variable has turned into an actual figure. When you go back and change this variable, it automatically changes your budget as well. To check which items depend on variables, you can select Highlight Variables in the menu. The variables are also useful for the shooting ratio. This formula, for example, shows me how the demand for film depends on the shooting ratio and the running time. I now change the shooting ratio, and the demand for film and all other depending items automatically change with it. I can also quickly create new scenarios for my financing. Let's say your production costs rise and you have to work with another financing partner whose funds are tied to a specific local spend. So first, you have to identify those costs which have not yet been assigned and then ascribe them to your new partner. For example, in respect to currencies and fringes. In your financing cover sheet, this new scenario now appears clearly structured.